Hello my friends, welcome back to today's video. It's Odette here. Hope you guys are all doing well. So today I'm going to do an unboxing of the Look Fantastic December beauty box. I really like the Look Fantastic beauty boxes. Number one, the boxes are really pretty, nice and sturdy. They're very pretty. You can definitely keep these boxes for storage. You can put jewelry in here, your makeup in here, your foundations, your powders, anything you want, you can store in these boxes. Great for storage. And I always pick and choose the boxes that I really want to get, and I always go towards the Look Fantastic beauty boxes. The Birch boxes are not bad, but I really prefer Look Fantastic, and I like the contents. I didn't watch it in video. However, the contents of the box was on the website, so it's a surprise and it's not a surprise, okay? So of course, when you open up the cover, you always have like a little quote in the inside. It says, "At Christmas, all roads lead home." And it says here, it's just a hashtag, LF Beauty Box. Look Fantastic Beauty Box. That's what it says. So of course, you do have a little booklet that comes along with it. It's a Look Fantastic. It says Beauty Box right there. Hope you guys can see that. And it is a very pretty box. And it tells you, I guess, the contents of the inside right here. Give you the contents. If you do have this box, you should know exactly what I'm talking about. And so we are just going to go through to see what we've got on the inside. And of course, you do, this was actually, oops, it was on top, okay? And then of course, you do have the Elle magazine as well in here, which is a beauty magazine. It just gives you a lot of like fashions and stuff like that that's in here, which is really nice. So we're just going to put that aside. And of course, nicely wrapped. Okay, hashtag LF Beauty Box right there. Okay, very pretty. And so we're just going to open this up. I love the way they do their packaging. It's very nice. And I'm just going to show you guys what the contents of the box looks like. And there we go. Okay, very pretty. You do have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6 items in here. And let's just start to pull things out. First thing I'm pulling out is the Eylure Fluttery Light Lashes. And I think I do have something similar here from them as well. I love the Eylure lashes. When I started to do my YouTube channel, these were the only lashes that I used to always wear from Eylure. And these are really nice. This is the lashes right here. And these lashes gives you more of a natural look, and of course it comes with a lash glue on the inside right there. Okay, very pretty. Okay, then you do have this product. What is this? This is from Prai. My goodness, let me just grab the book here. My goodness, I always wanted to try the Prai products because so this is a sample size, and the full size is 10 ml, and you get 0.35, which is a sample size. The 10 ml retails for £9, and it is a really good product because I see them on QVC all the time. And let me just see what this product does. It says recover youthful looking skin with Prai Platinum Firm and Lift Cream. Redefining facial moisture infused with Firm and Platinum. Wow, very nice. I am actually looking forward to using this. And when it comes to skincare, I am all in. Doesn't have much of a scent to it, but I think I'm going to like that. Of course, again, it is a sample size. So first we had the lashes, and then we had the sample size of the Prai Platinum Firm and Lift Cream. So next we do have from Bumble and Bumble. I'm sure that's what it is. Yes. And this is an infused oil for your hair. This is a primer. Ooh. Heat and UV protective. And this is what the product looks like. There we go. Okay, hope you guys can see that. Okay, there we go. I've never used anything from Bumble and Bumble before, so it's going to be interesting to use this one. So next I do have the Real Chemistry Luminous and 3-minute peel. This is the sample product right here. Okay, and the full size retails for £19.88. I've never actually heard of this brand before, but I'm looking forward to using that. I have not used a facial peel in a very long time. Next we do have, this looks like it's an, what is it? It's a liquid eyeliner, travel size. Let me just, and this is the packaging right here. And this is the package. Let me just show you guys the packaging quickly. This is the packaging right there. And this is the product. Really, really small. And let me just see if I can find, it's called Eyeko, and the actual product retails for £9. I'm not quite sure if this is the actual size or not, but it retails for £9. And I've never heard of this brand, Eyeko London. I'm gonna have to do some Googling. And I'm really into my black eyeliners. Look at that. Beautiful. And the tip is nice and soft. Really, really nice. So I'm looking forward to using this one as well. And last but not least, we do have a eyeshadow palette from Sleek. This is the Devine palette. And the palette retails for £8.99. I have a feeling that I have this palette already, and let me just take a look at it and see. I certainly do have this one already, and I love the fact that you do have a plastic on top, but the plastic has all the names of the palette, and I think this is more of a neutral look. Let me just bring that close so you guys can see the colors. Okay, so I've had this palette before in last year's Christmas Look Fantastic box, and that was given to one of my subscribers in a giveaway. I can guarantee you that. But I think I already have this one in my collection there somewhere. Let me just put back the brush on the inside, and there we go. It's very nice. It's very neutral. You can do some smokiness with this as well. Very, very pretty. So I do like the contents of this box, and the products are really, really nice. And of course, you can never have too many lashes. The lashes retailed for £5.06. The full size of the real chemistry peel retails for £19.88. This is just a sample size. Bumble and Bumble Hairdresser's Invisible Oil. The full size retails for £5. The product from Prai, which sounds really, really interesting. This is just a sample size. You get 3.5 ml. The full size retails for £9. And of course you do have the Sleek Devine palette, which retails for £8.99. And you get the liquid eyeliner from Eyeko, and this retails for £9. So I'm going to leave all of the products in the description box for you guys, and I do hope you really enjoy this video. And let me know your thoughts on what you think of this box today. My name is Odette. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I shall see you next time. Bye.